An unknown HMD phone has surfaced on Geekbench. It bears the code name, Pearl. Pearl was running Android 15 on a UNISOC chip with just 4 GB of RAM for the test. By the way, the HMD Pulse Trio uses the UNISOC T606. Here are benchmark results from it. 392 single and 1385 multi-core. The higher clock speeds of the T7250 give it a lead, though a small one. We bring this up because the HMD Pulse 2 Pro surfaced recently, allegedly with a T615 chipset and 6 GB of RAM. Now, the original Pulse came with 4 GB and 6 GB options, so that part isn't surprising. But the store that leaked the Pulse 2 Pro could easily have confused the T615 for the T7250. The RAM capacity is interesting. From what we've heard so far, Android 16 requires 6 GB minimum. 4 GB phones would be required to switch to Android 16 Go edition when upgrading from Android 15, even if it was the full Fat 15, not 15 Go. At least that was the original plan. The recent surge in RAM pricing could bring back 4 GB phones en masse, which could cause Google to reconsider. The HMD Pulse 2 Pro runs Android 15 out of the box, according to the store, which matches what Geekbench claims about the Pearl, which further supports the theory that they are the same phone. However, if there are both 4 GB and 6 GB variants, what will happen with the Android 16 update?